All right, so ladies and gentlemen, a quick correction at the beginning of the video. A little bit from now in the video, you're going to hear me talk about the promo code. I made an error. The promo code is not The Formula Sports. The promo code is Formula Sports. It is on your screen. It's Formula Sports. That's the promo code. Formula Sports, not The Formula Sports, and it's all in lowercase. On to the video. All right, so good day to everybody. Welcome back as always to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here on this Monday morning. You know, the start of a new week, or should I say the start of a new work week for many. You know, hopefully everybody has a safe and productive work week this week, and we all can, you know, make it through the week. Yeah, man, welcome back. And as always, the support is very, very much appreciated. You guys, you know, remember the YouTube stuff. Kindly asking you guys to hit the likes button, subscribe to the channel, and also to share the content as well. You see the banner at the end of your screen. Leon Bailey Copa America absence confirmed, question mark, question mark, question mark. Probably question mark that times 10 on the banner at the end of your screen. Anyways, I'm not count all of the question mark them still, but I will leave them there. Before we get into that, quickly, I have to talk about the promo code quick and fast before we forget. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the JFF are putting in work, The JFF is putting in work. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a promo code for the Formula Sports channel. So basically, how this thing works is that when you go on the JFF website to purchase tickets, match tickets for the big upcoming World Cup friendly. I'm kidding, I'm playing. For the big upcoming World Cup game, the big game versus Jamaica at the National Stadium, June the 6th. If you guys purchase those tickets on the JFF website and you use the code TheFormulaSports. So when you use that code, TheFormulaSports, you guys will get a big 10% discount. People, a whole heap of funds that you are saving up. 10% and a joke thing, Every mickle make a muckle, plus 10% is not a mickle. It is a muckle. A whole heap of money you save. So, when you buy the tickets on the JFF website, use up the promo code, the Formula Sports channel. All right, we're getting into the video now, ladies and gentlemen. Will Leon Bailey be at the Copa America, ladies and gentlemen? Boy, the thing looks sticky, It don't look possible at all, ladies and gentlemen. Look on your screen, ladies and gentlemen. This is a screenshot. This is a screenshot of Leon Bailey's IG story. It's promoting a party that when you look at the top, you probably can't see it good, but at the top of the post, it says, on the actual picture itself, it says Leon Bailey presents. Leon Bailey presents. And if you look at the date, he made sure to highlight the date. The 21st of June. The 21st of June, ladies and gentlemen. When is the Reggae Boyz first match at the Copa America? The 22nd of June. We will be in action on the 22nd of June. So, ladies and gentlemen, obviously the baller can't be in a two places at the same time. It is physically impossible. You can't in a two places at the same time. Remember, I'm doing the interview, and let's be honest, when I talk about him party, and basically I say, yo, I am not quoting him verbatim. I am, let me say again, basically along the lines of, my party, I may keep it some off dead kind of a thing, right? Not quoting him verbatim, but basically along those lines, that is what he said, right? I mean, ladies and gentlemen, if you present an event of any kind, you kind of have it there. You kind of have it there at the event. So Leon, on the top of the flyer, it says Leon Bailey presents. You see all him face and him imagery on the party flyer. Basically, that's basically telling the world that he will be at this event. This is theme event. Him a put it on. Him kind of did it based on just the marketing of this whole event. It in him IG stories, etc., etc. Him kind of did it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if it is a case that Leon Bailey will be at this party and not at the Copa America, to be honest with you, it would be very, very, very disappointing. If that is the case, I mean, it no materialize yet. We still a wait for see, how everything plays out. I don't know, things can change between now and then. I don't know. But if this turns out to be the case, honestly, it would be very, very disappointing. I'm not going to lie to you. It would mean basically that Leon Bailey would have bailed on one his teammates, 2 the coaching staff, and 3 the fans at a very important time, a time when we need him the most. This is the biggest tournament, separate and apart from the World Cup in '98, that the Jamaica national team has qualified for. And the sad reality of the matter is that he might bail upon the team now at a time when we need him the most. We need him the most. I mean, we're talking about World Cup qualifiers. We're talking about Copa America. The thing I get up now, people, and Leon Bailey bail. And the worst thing about it is that the reasons were in bail for, in my humble opinion, they are petty reasons that I get little suspension and up in them feelings. How dare you suspend the superstar? Bailey, I'm a baller and I'm a rape Bailey, but honestly, I have to call a spade a spade. I have to call a spade a spade. We can't sit down and go on like say, oh, this is okay. It's not. This is not what we were expecting when Leon Bailey signed up to the national program. This is not what we were expecting. That's why me not look. People might say it's disrespectful to call Leon Bailey a flop. I don't think so. I just think it's a hard truth. I have previously labeled him the poster flop. I don't think that's disrespectful. I just think it's a hard truth. If people think it's disrespectful, fine. Me not think so personally. Me can't blame people who label Bailey a flop. One, him not perform when him play. No, him not even a play. To be honest with you, me all wonder if we qualify for World Cup, if it's okay for Leon Bailey to come back in our national team. Because you don't think we're going to go World Cup and Bailey not going to want dip on that trip. I don't think Bailey for be a part of the big dance when him never want to be in the trenches with him teammates. So him teammates are going to feel about that. Also, I mean, common sense. I don't want to go too much into speculation, but honestly, just using common sense, you have to, I mean, basically, if he's not going to be there for Copa America, what makes you believe that he will be there for the World Cup qualifiers as well? Honestly, if he's not playing at the World Cup qualifiers, me not think him for in the World Cup if we qualify. Anyways, knock up the likes button, subscribe and share. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not saying Leon Bailey will not be a part of the Copa America, but this is a massive indication that don't expect to see the Copa squad they drop. Me personally not expect to see the Copa squad they drop. I'm Bailey not in it. If him in it, I'd be happy. Trust me, I would be. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share, guys. Stay safe, take care, and until next time.